Okay. Don't stop.
I'll do it again.
Don't stop. I just gotta.
I'll do it again.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, Asher. What does Asher want for Christmas?
Some candy.
Oh!
I think Asher wants a toothbrush for Christmas.
Do it.
Does Asher want a peanut butter sandwich for Christmas? No. He wants lots of toys.
What does Mima want?
What does Mima want for Christmas? Would she like a pie?
What about Nana?
Asher, what would Nana like?
Some pie.
Some pie! What would Auntie Carolyn like for Christmas?
Some candy.
Yes, she would!